Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple coleslaw. This is a really big part of my household because my mum is American and she loves it for barbecues, loves it on pulled pork, sausages, meat, all the meat. So yeah, it's a really quick one and I'm going to show you how to do it. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. 6 to 8 spring onions, and they're just finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. You can use more or less depending on how creamy you like your coleslaw. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and about 7 cups of finely shredded cabbage. I'm using a pre-bought mix, that's about 500 grams of white cabbage, red cabbage and carrots. So what we're going to do first is take our lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, mayonnaise and Dijon mustard into a small bowl and mix it all together. We're going to put our spring onions into our cabbage mix, salt and pepper, and then we're just going to drizzle our mixture all over the cabbage mix. What an amazing feat. Then just stir all together. Now, of course, you can just use cabbage, but I actually like it with a little bit of carrot in there just because it makes it a bit more colorful. I also like using the mixture of white and red cabbage for the same reason. Also, taste it and add more lemon juice, salt and pepper to suit your tastes. It's really up to you because this is just a base recipe. You can change it however you want. You can put more mustard in too. It's amazing. Okay guys, so that's how you make my coleslaw. Literally that took us like 2-3 minutes, if that. It's so easy. Then you just cover this in Glad wrap and put it in the fridge for about at least an hour before you serve it. You can eat it straight away as well if you're in a hurry. Flavia is not the biggest fan of coleslaw, so I'm not going to make her taste it. But I've made this hundreds of times, and to me, it's perfect every time. Well, that sounds on myself. I love it. The Dijon mustard really comes through. You sure you don't want to try it, Flavia?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I hope you use it. It's really quick and it's always nice to bring to a gathering, unless you're going to Flavia's house because she doesn't like it.
Don't bring it to my house.
Don't bring it to Flavia's house, she'll kick your ass. Okay, so yeah, simple. Done.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.